Hi, freaks. Did somebody leave a sword at my house? I just found this between some cushions, and it's not really sharp enough for my purposes, so please collect it at your earliest convenience. All right, Jaime, what do you got for us? Ooh, my favorite colors. Fun. And I don't have a lot of those items. I don't have those green shoes or the bag or the bracelet. I clearly do have the nail polish and the green bralette, so it's almost like I planned in advance. Wow, I am genuinely impressed with this one. It looks better on than in the picture, and I just really like all the colors together, which I never would have paired together. So part of me just wants to keep it and say, good job, Jaime, but I think it's too fun not to play around with a little bit. I really like how the bralette matches the socks randomly. These shoes are the most ridiculous shoes that I own. Trying to wear them with socks is even more ridiculous. This is my bigger foot, and you can tell that the sock almost can't even fit in there. I don't even think I can feel my pinky toes right now. And I don't usually have a problem with heels. These shoes are just really terrible, but they match. Let me show you without the jacket because there's a lot of details hiding. It's just so good. It looks so funny having a sheer top with the gloves peeking through, ending mid-arm. I might try rolling the sleeve up just so we can see more of the glove. And then I think we need something up here, but I don't know if this is what I want to do with the scarf. I'll play around with it. Still kind of weird and almost certainly too fancy for wherever we're wearing this, but I like it. My version of the bracelet is this really cheap band, so I might exchange that for some kind of sparkly necklace, maybe. All right, I'm trying the scarf as kind of a waistband for the skirt tied in back, and then I found this little subtle diamond necklace. I don't know if that's really the necklace I want, but we'll try it. And then for bags, I found this really sparkly bag. I don't know, is it too much? Let me see. Like, I kind of like the white with all the white, but then there's the sparkles with all the sparkly. Maybe we try it with the jacket and see. It would help if I knew where in the world we were going in this. I have no idea. Okay, after looking in the mirror and how casual the rest of the outfit is, I do think the more casual bag is the way to go. Yeah, I think I do like the waistband defined a little bit more though. It just felt kind of blobbish before that. So I'll keep that. Yeah, I don't love the necklace. I wish it was a little bit longer or something. I wonder if I have something else I can use. Some of my necklaces I use as decor, so I forgot they existed, but I'm thinking this one will work. I did this whole clasp, this whole tiny clasp with gloves on, so now I have to do that again. It seems easier than taking the gloves off and putting them back on again. Oh, let's see, is this what we want? It is green, it matches. It's got sparkles on it. It's kind of darker. Trying it without the jacket now. I don't know, it's kind of dark with this. It just doesn't really do anything. I sort of want to try pearls. Does it have to be sparkles? Like, I have sparkly earrings, but let's try pearls. I do have real pearls, but I just like these white beads better because I could string them down to make more of like a V, and I couldn't do that with my pearls. And I think it kind of just goes with the sort of like jokey, like fancy but not really look that we have. The last thing is the jacket. Am I going to keep it or maybe I'll try other ones? It's so tempting. It's so tempting. Definitely a great look for somewhere, but I'm gonna try to behave myself. I don't know, is the black better than the blue? I kind of feel like I just made it too matchy-matchy now. Yeah, I think I do like the navy better. The black in the skirt is a pretty soft black, and then this navy is so flat and dark. It just looks less harsh than the actual black. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I feel like the beads are too matchy-matchy, whereas when it was the scarf, which is even more white, it didn't seem that way. I don't know if it's because of the extra white. I don't know, it's just not working for me. What if Jaime was right all along and I went to all this effort with all my non-touch screen gloves trying to work my phone camera and all of my clasps on all my necklaces, and then we're just right back where we started. Oh no. I gotta make it work. I gotta beat Jaime. What if I wear it double instead of triple? Does that help? Maybe not. I don't know. Is this better? Maybe I don't need the scarf at all because it's just a lot of polka dots coming out of nowhere. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know what it is with that necklace. It's just not doing it for me. I realized the gloves were falling down, so I like them better scrunched anyway. Maybe I was just wearing the scarf wrong. Maybe it just needed to be tied like this. Jaime, we're back to you. I think I should just admit defeat. You win some, you lose some. Yeah, I like the gloves more slouchy, and I slouched the socks too, just to make the whole thing not take itself so seriously. Normally, I wouldn't wear just a bralette under this sheer top, but I really like the colors Jaime paired together, and I think it works. Where would I wear this? I would wear this straight to the podiatrist. That's the only answer. Would you wear this? Where would you wear it? Thanks for watching.